Our people are always close at hand to provide machine builders and manufacturers with game-changing automation. Skill is the ultimate value we bring to our partners. We cultivate talent at our innovation campus and laboratories around the world that are dedicated to research, competence development, and co-creation. Like our products, our people are the most effective when we work together seamlessly and communicate openly. This is when our people join their strength that our innovative technology comes to life and create real solutions to our customers' biggest challenges. Market and geopolitical uncertainties, product proliferation, mass personalization, labor shortage and labor skills margin compression. Those are challenges that today can be mastered only with an adaptive approach. Let's discover how to unlock together your next generation of machines with adaptive enabling technologies.